Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to stop or disable showing H-tab when you use Alt+Tab in Windows 11. Before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. You have to open the Windows setting. For that, you need to open Windows plus I and click on System. Scroll down little bit and click on Multitasking. And here you can say Alt+Tab. Then you have to click here. Here you can see 4 options are available. Open Windows and all tabs in Microsoft Edge. Open Windows and 5 most recent tabs in Microsoft Edge. Open Windows and 3 most recent tabs in Microsoft Edge. And open Windows only. You have to select open Windows only. That's it guys. So in this way you can stop or disable showing H-tab when using Alt+Tab in Windows 11. Thanks for watching friends. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.